You're here today to apply for a L1B visa, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where are you working now?
I work with Company A.
In India?
That's right. We are an Indian company. We are a subsidiary of a US company, Company B.
Okay. What's the name and job title of the person that you report to in India?
I report to the development manager, Mr. XYZ.
What projects are you in India?
I worked on a project to develop software, the ABC software. It's a solution to data management.
I see you went to the U.S. earlier. Why did you go to the U.S. earlier?
I went to research client requirements.
Whom did you work for while you were in the U.S.?
I went to the US to do client requirement studies. I continue to work for a company in India.
Okay. Why are you going to the U.S. now?
I'm going to provide technical support to clients of the company.
Is that in connection with the software that you developed in India?
That's right, yeah.
How long will you be in the U.S.?
I'm going to be there for 3 years.
Which company will you work for in the U.S.?
I'll work for the parent company, Company B, American company.
How much salary will you earn in the U.S.?
I'm supposed to get $60,000 on an annual basis as per the company policy.
Okay. Where is the client located in the U.S.?
I'll be supporting multiple clients. I'll be based out of the support center. Clients will be either on-site or I'll be going to client sites on-site or I'll be supporting from my support organization.
From your company's headquarters in the U.S.?
That's right.
Where will you be staying in the U.S.?
I get a couple of weeks of guest house accommodation. After that I have to find my own place and move up there.
What are your educational qualifications?
I did my bachelor's in electronics from Mumbai University, followed with a master's in computer applications from Nagpur University. I also done an advanced diploma in CDAC.
Where were you working before you joined your present company?
I worked at Infosys.
How many employees are in your U.S. office at the present time?
25 people there.
And to whom will you be reporting in the U.S.?
I'll be reporting to the manager technical support.
Okay. Well, congratulations. At this time, I'm going to issue you your L1B visa, and we will mail your passport back to you. Let's take a look at the process and the answers that the applicant gave to those questions. Remember, an L1B is specialized knowledge. I wanted to know about his background, where he got his specialized knowledge, and why the knowledge was specialized. It appeared to be proprietary software developed for the company. He developed it, and so I was satisfied with his level of expertise, both in terms of his educational background and his experience background. It was proprietary knowledge. Now, let me say one thing about proprietary knowledge on L1B cases. Many years ago, the word proprietary was in the regulations, and it caused all sorts of problems. Then they took it out, and they now look for advanced levels of expertise and other key things like that. I always, when I do an L1B case, try to look for something proprietary. It just, in my opinion, even though it's not required, it makes the case stronger. He was, going back to our other mock interview, the B1 interview earlier today, he was very confident in his answers, very detailed. His credibility was not a problem at all with me. And well prepared. He knew his information, he knew his company, he knew his job. I was impressed with that. Let's talk about something that did not come up, and this is a recent change in L1B regulations. With the increased use of L1Bs by consulting companies, IT consulting companies in the U.S., the immigration, the USCIS, has taken the position that that's not really what L1Bs were designed for. So they've made it tougher on L1Bs to be contracted out to client sites. Anytime you're going to be stationed at a client site, you have to make sure that you are supervised and controlled by your U.S. petitioning company and not by your client. Remember, you're an employee of your petitioning company, the company's operation in the U.S. You're not an employee of the client. So if you're going to be stationed at a client site, that only works if you're supervised and controlled by your petitioning company, not by the client. Secondly, you must not be providing labor for your client. You must be providing specialized knowledge and services for your petitioning employer if you're going to be stationed at a client site.